box for 03 to 05 Crown Vic or Grand Marquis. If it has a headlight issue, or if it has a turn signal or tail light or interior. Most of the common problem is a headlight going off and on while you're driving at night. So I'm going to show you, if you want to do it yourself, what you need, how to open it. Let's get started. So this is the box you took out the car if you watched my video how to remove it. There's only 2 screws. You'll need a T15 and just a flathead screwdriver. So let's just remove the 2 screws on the top. Okay, there's 2 tabs on the side. You can just pop them out with a flathead. Covers off. So these are the 4 relays. So this one is for the headlight, this one is for your turn signal, this one is the interior, and this one is the tail light. So right now the problem with this box is the headlight going off and on. So we're going to go ahead and remove this relay and install a new one, and it'll be good to go. So in order to get to this bottom panel, there's 2 more tabs. You just pull it forward and pull it up. And here's the back side of the circuit board. So we're going to be changing this relay, the headlight relay, which is these 5 points we're going to have to desolder and remove. Try not to put too much heat on the board. You don't want to burn the board. Okay. We'll take our pliers or needle nose. Now that you remove the solder on the 5 points, just pop it out. So this is a bad relay, only 5 contact points. Now we're gonna get the new one and clean it off same time, so you have a clean surface to work with. You're gonna install the new one the same way into the 5 holes. Push it down. So we're going to resolder the 5 points to the board. One. That's 2. That's 3. 4. 5. Just check them, make sure you got solder completely on each. That's it. Put back over the cover, put it into the groove, press it down. So that's the new relay installed, and that's the factory old ones. So we're just gonna reassemble the cover the same way. 2 grooves on the top, put those in first. Press it in. And just reinstall the screws. No more headlight issues. And if there's something that you can't do yourself, we do offer the repair service. You can send it in to us and we can repair it for you. And in my link below, I'll show you guys where to purchase the relays so you can do it yourself. Thanks for watching.